Hey guys, welcome back to Skillway. I have brought a brand new 3D printer which is an Ender 3, and in this video we are going to unbox it, assemble it, and we are going to make our first print out of it. So guys, join me with unboxing my first 3D printer. So guys, this is the main part of the printer which is already assembled. So I'm gonna take it out of the box and I'll keep it right here. Now I'm gonna take everything out of the box and I'll arrange it on the table. After that we can start the assembly.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening?
So guys, I have completed the assembling. Actually there were some mistakes, like I have tilted these supports and there were so many M4 and M5 screws. I have used one in place of another one. So there were some mistakes, but at last I have corrected all the mistakes and there you are. One good looking Ender 3.
But you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for.
So if you are planning to buy an Ender 3 and you want some reference, there are so many videos on YouTube regarding the assembling process. I'll put down the video link that I have used for the assembly. I'll put it on my description. Here I have done the wiring and I have done the bed leveling also, but it's not included on the video. Let's skip on to our first print. Actually, I'm really excited. There is already a print file on the SD card. I think it's a cat or something. Let's move on to printing. Guys, it took like 6 hours to print this one, but it came out really great. Great finishing and with good quality. Actually, this one was failed for the first time. This was the first one. Actually, our first print has failed. When it was up to here, the filament was over, and when I paused the print, actually I made some mistakes and it went out wrong. Then I restarted the printing and look what I got. An extremely beautiful print. So guys, I am just a beginner in 3D printing. If you do follow Skillway, we can learn together and we can do great projects on our channel. So guys, thank you for watching till the end. See you on the next video. Bye.